All right, so today we're going to talk about creating scalable offers in your service-based business so that you can charge more money. There are three types of scalable offers that don't take up a lot of energy from you, but that you can use to charge premium rates and also get your clients amazing results. So in this video, I'm going to show you what those are, how to implement them, and the mindset of the client that you're trying to go after, helping you come up with your ideal client avatar. So let's get started. So a little bit about me. I started my business 10 years ago. I started a content marketing and digital marketing agency. And in the past couple of years, I've restructured my business model to also include consulting, group programs, and digital products. So I do have a six-figure business. I don't work that many hours per week, and it's because of the way that I've structured my business. And so today I'm going to be showing you how to create a business that you love and one that gives you a lot more freedom. I got enough clients when I first started my business. I started my agency, and I was kind of fed up of working in a typical 9-to-5 scenario. I mean, it was just a lot. So I wanted to have flexibility in my career. I wanted to be able to work my own hours. And I found that if I could have a business that could also benefit me, allow me to, have my creative pursuits and also really have good work-life balance. So I created a business, but what I found when I first started my business as a freelancer, I did get enough clients. I was able to stay at home doing this full time. But I did start to struggle. And I think a lot of freelancers or beginner consultants do struggle because if you don't structure things correctly, you will struggle, right? So let me know if you can relate. I did find myself working sometimes 50 hours a week, and I was glued to my computer all day. And sometimes I had difficult clients, but I was afraid to let them go because if I did, I would lose a significant amount of income if I did. So my income fluctuated. At one point, I had a big client leave and I didn't have enough money to pay my team. So I really felt obligated to take on any client just to pay the bills. So I had to fire this one client. They were really rude, disrespectful to my team. So I had to fire them because, I fired them, but then my income went down. So from then on, I realized I didn't want to rely on just done for you client work, and I wanted to diversify my income stream. And so I decided to add high ticket consulting and passive income streams. So I made some changes. I raised my prices for the agency to $2,500 a month minimum. I started selling consulting services and I got paid to just give advice. I created a group mentorship program, which 10x my revenue. I created an automated sales funnel so that money is coming in every month. And this allowed me to only work with a few clients I wanted to work with and not just take on anyone. So the result is that my business makes consistent 5 figures a month. I have higher profit margins. I have more free time. I get to mentor other entrepreneurs, especially a lot of women, and help them build businesses around their lives. And most importantly, I'm doing meaningful work that I feel passionate about. So I have a low stress business, a higher profit business. My sales process is automated and sales are made each week without me doing much. And I created scalable offers, which I'm going to go through today in this workshop. So scalable offers allow you to make more money while working less hours. What's a scalable offer? Okay, so a scalable offer is a way to make more money without having to work more. That's the key, right? You don't have to do a lot of work to make a good amount of money and a good income for yourself and your family. So here are the ways that you need to package your services that have worked for me. I'm just sharing what's worked for me. If you package them this way, it can really help you have a high profit margin business. So there's 3 ways to do this. You want to have a high price done for you service where you charge at least $2,500 and higher retainers. That could be $5,000 a month, but you want to charge premium for done for you. You can have consulting or coaching packages where you get paid to give advice. And you can have group mentoring programs. I really enjoy doing group programs. So this can include online courses, monthly memberships, group coaching programs as well. A scalable offer should not take up a lot of your deliberate. So let's go over each type. So number 1, premium done for you services. This is where you charge several $1,000s for your marketing services or your freelance services. So for example, you can do the $2,500 retainers, $500 a month hire for social media or digital marketing, web design, SEO, content writing, financial consulting. It's really any type of freelance service. Maybe you do you're an OBM, you do business management, you do automation systems, whatever it is that you do, you charge higher retainers. This allows you to have enough money to outsource the work and still have a good profit margin. $2,500 allows you to outsource, right? And you could keep a large percentage of that. You can, like, maybe let's say you're charging $2,500 a month. You can hire other people to help you. Let's say you pay one or two people $1,000 a month. You still can keep $1,500 profit, and you don't have to work so many hours. So it's really, really profitable, and you don't have to work so much. And that's what I'm trying to get across. The other thing you can do is you can offer consulting, coaching services, and this is where you get paid for your advice. You're not going to be doing the work. You can consult business owners on how to do Instagram or grow their followers on social media, or how to start a business. You can charge a lot of money for this, for coaching. You can have a retainer at $2,000 a month. You can do $800 a month, but you're not doing the work. You're not building someone's website. You're not, spending a lot of hours. You're just consulting and mentoring someone else. And if you position yourself the right way on social media or online, people who are serious about getting your advice will pay top dollar. Now, here are some consulting examples. You can have a 2-month consulting offer where you meet once a week for 45 minutes, or you can meet twice a month for 45 minutes. You can have a 60-minute strategy session that you can charge $900 for. A 6-month coaching engagement where you charge $5,000 or $10,000 to meet once a week. You only need to spend a few hours a week with a few clients, and this is going to give you really high profit margins. Group programs are another way to deliver your service. So instead of just helping one person at a time, you can help 10 people once a week on a group coaching call. And this is where, like I say, you're not just doing one-to-one, you're helping a lot of people at the same time. Group mentoring, group consulting is a lot more powerful than just selling a course as well. Your clients will typically get better results when you're more hands-on and helping them, mentoring through the process. You can also include like a curriculum. You can include an online course. You could do a membership program as well. And one of the things I recommend, if you're going to sell a lower cost digital product or program or course, you want to upsell them into one of your higher end consulting packages to get higher profit margins. And this is something that you can do to create like a client funnel or sales funnel. And I have another video where I'll show you how to create a funnel, which is having different offers at various price points for different types of people. And really what that's going to do is allow you to increase client lifetime value. All right, so here are some ideas for a group program course. You can talk about, I'm just giving you some examples. Let's say you do freelance work. You can turn what you do for clients, and you can create a course on how to get clients on Instagram, how to DIY your branding, how to use social media for real estate agents. I'm just kind of giving you some random examples of courses or digital products that you can create. Now, you could have a higher ticket offer. I've sold multiple group coaching premium offers, $4,000, $12,000. I actually did a launch a while back where within 45 days, I made $40,000 with just a few social media posts, and it was a high ticket offer. This program included weekly group coaching sessions and private access to me for advice. That's why typically I'll charge a little bit more for group coaching. All right, so charging high prices really requires you to understand sales psychology, how high-paying clients think. It's all about confidence in your offer. You also have to position yourself as a highly paid expert. This really requires that you have the right type of messaging on social media. And we're going to cover this in another video, so look out for the next one. We also are going to cover social selling, and we'll talk about that as well. All right, so I wanted to give you an overview of all the different ways you can package your offers so that you're able to work with less clients. You're able to make more money without stressing yourself out. That's the goal, right? Be profitable, have a good amount of money, make a good living for yourself, and live the life that you really want to live without burnout, overwhelm, and getting stressed out. All right, so the next video, we're going to go into the science of pricing your services and your offers, whether it's one-to-one consulting, done for you, group courses, coaching, all types of different offers you can come up with. And a lot of these offers I've actually used in my own business. So I'm going to share with you what has worked really, really well for me and even some of my clients that actually help them with launching these types of offers. So I'll see you in the next video.